Okay, Master Ujin, why that people have to practice or meditate? What's the purpose of practicing?
There are many ways, many purposes to practice. Some people want to calm down, want to be peaceful. Some people want to understand the nature.
But isn't it Buddha's way to liberate yourself so you don't reincarnate?
Liberation is you, without understanding, you cannot liberate. Liberation means defilement must be go away. So, without understanding defilement, no chance to go away. So that's why people want to understand.
But for the lay people who doesn't want or have no idea, or they are not up to the level of they want to be liberated. So why meditate?
They want to liberate.
They don't want to liberate.
They don't want to liberate. No, meditate more.
Yeah.
Don't try to meditate.
Really?
If you will meditate, you become enlightenment.
So that like the ultimate goal.
Become freedom. Become liberate. So don't meditate. If you don't want to liberate, so don't meditate.
Some people meditate because, like you said in the beginning, it calms themselves.
Yeah, calm down. You want to calm down, just calm down and you practice concentration practice.
So eventually the goal, or eventually without your knowing, will be wisdom to liberate yourself. That's the end of meditation, the highest level.
Yeah, liberation is free from the suffering, free from the defilement, free from the suffering. Because suffering makes suffer, well, defilement makes you suffer. So if you want to less suffering, you should be meditate.
So by meditation, you will be able to see defilement.
The defilement already there. You already see. You don't need to be able to see. You try to understand in the nature about defilement. Defilement already there.
Why is it important to understand the nature of defilement?
Oh, because defilement is, if you understand the nature of defilement, you can prevent the defilement. If you don't understand defilement, defilement is driving you.
Sometimes old habit is very hard to change.
Yeah, that's why you need to practice. New habit make more stronger.
So the stronger in meditation, the easier for you to change your defilement or
Yes.
see the cause of it.
Yes. Meditation is try to change the mind. That's it. If your mind change, everything change. One time, Korean bhikkhuni come. Wow, today awareness very good. I no need to effort. Awareness is very relaxed. Nothing to do, and the mind know everything. I said, okay, go. Next day, she come. Teacher, I don't know how to meditate. Oh, I understand. Because that's yesterday happening is a natural effort is there. So personal effort no need. Then this moment is not strong enough. Only the day and going down. So next day wake up again, the moment is not there. So that time he want to get this level back. She want to get this level, but this level she don't do anything. So now she need to start to practice. But the mind start to think about this level, want to get this level. So she cannot understand in this level, and now she start to practice personal effort. She don't understand how to do this. For example, one yogi, 1 month he become natural effort. So he don't need to do anything. Everything went into place. Then the craving come, do this. One time asking, he noticed the mind, wisdom noticed, the mind wisdom not believing. Let go. Next time the craving come again, craving said, do this. He okay. He don't believe. That time, then the moment that it stopped. Because the craving is come like this. One time, 2 times, 3 times, natural effort 2, 4. Because the weak, not strong enough yet. Yeah. Craving is all time come to the like a screwdriver, give you a screwdriver. You hold the hand and screwdriver, what to do? Do this, do that. Then natural effort become going down because of effort is wrong effort coming. You need to find the cause. You're not enough, how to do? Start again. Try to make more clear the money, take care of your money, don't go out, right? Then money come back. You need to find out the way. So you say, not now, then you continue to do this, still not now.
Yeah,
right?
it needs a little bit more effort on it.
Yes.
I'm trying
no,
to
more
find
effort,
it.
no more effort,
No.
more wisdom.
More wisdom. Oh, okay. And like last time I have the experience about the seeing, and then I cannot do it. I mean I didn't have the time. I mean not the time. It's not continue to do it. I cannot do it.
Yes.
But when we
No,
go
no need to upset. You cannot do it
Oh.
as far as you can.
Yeah, I have an experience here when we go to the Red Mountain, the way we're going, and suddenly
Snow
not
coming.
snow yet because it's very hard, raining,
Oh.
and then it's coming.
Yeah.
Because it's very hard, and then I can hear the sound, and then the thing coming, the rain coming, and then the snow coming, and then suddenly I see the whole picture, like the snow, everything, because the way we're going.
Oh, means you see the whole process.
Yeah, when
You want to say is you experience the whole process.
the seeing
Right?
is
Oh.
it's just coming naturally.
Yeah, but you are more aware of the outside things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I observe that, and then I see that when I want to see, because I heard about you saying that the observing and the looking and seeing that day.
Oh, that's why you're more attention to the seeing and looking. Then you see
No,
the.
when it's suddenly coming, and then I want to see, and then I can see
No,
that.
suddenly why he coming because of information.
Yeah, but when the
You
looking,
get the information, the mind already remember this information. Then he automatically doing this. Not automatic, but because of some cause. Information there, then the mind remember. Then he started doing this.
but I have
And then in the play also seeing, looking is very good. Because we all the time look to the ground, looking, seeing, looking and seeing all the time.
So, Jim, so usually I'm doing daily life, I'm more aware of like unpleasant situation. Like when it's like something
Unpleasant situation means
Yeah.
a feeling.
Like whenever something like like if at work or something like
Yeah, mean is if your unpleasant situation mean is you have unpleasant feeling.
right.
Right.
So I would watch my my body sensation. I can feel like okay, like
Yeah.
it's beating faster.
If your
and
body
then
sensation
like-
is the mind cannot think about this process, the mind is suffering stop, but still there. This is you avoid the object.
No, I watch.
Yeah, your feeling is unpleasant. You don't watch the unpleasant feeling. You watch your body sensation.
No, I watch everything. I
Okay.
watch my body.
Why?
Like,
Why you watch?
Well, I know that okay, my heart's beating or
Why?
my face.
Why you watch?
And then I check my feelings.
Why?
Why? Because I know it's unpleasant.
Oh, so meaning is you want to disappear the unpleasant feeling.
No. I am.
But
aware-
yourself is because of unpleasant feeling. That means is you want to go away. So why you watch this everything?
Well, I watch it because I know it's unpleasant, and then so I know it's non-self, so I don't get upset at the other person. I'm trying to help them. Because if I let
Your
them
upset
get,
is not going down yet. How to help?
but if I watch it, then it'll go.
You're
away.
not clear. Go away what? Unpleasant feeling.
Right. So I can help. So I can listen and help.
Okay,
the other person.
okay. So you watch to want to be go away, right?
No, I'm just kind of be aware of the sensation. I don't.
Why?
I-
Why? Now you said because of you watch, the feeling must be come down. Then you can help other people, right?
But I'm aware.
Yeah, aware. Why? Because of this. This is not aim. This is not aim. You don't try to learn from your unpleasant feeling. Why the unpleasant feeling come? You don't want to know. You want to help other people may come down.
Well, I'm just being aware of the feelings. Is that what I'm?
Yes, that's why you're not clear what you have idea. I know about what you're talking. I know what your mind have already.
Let's say she knows why she's angry because the other person yelling at her for no reason.
No,
That's what?
that's a wrong answer.
Really?
You don't need to
Nobody
be
make your mind suffering. If your mind make other people can make your mind suffering, you are never freedom.
But aren't you supposed to be aware of everything that's going on?
Why you supposed to be aware?
So you understand the nature of it, right?
Yes, that I want. That's
Right.
what I want.
Right.
Remember, no? Why you want to understand something? That's why you watch,
Right.
right? Not because of calm down or not because of help other people. This is later.
Right.
After the mind understands something, the mind calm down. Then whatever you do, what do you need to do?
So you can make the right decision.
Yes.
And see what they
Right.
really need instead.
Because of
Right.
defilements go away, the wisdom can arise in how to do next,
Right.
right?
And then, but then.
Not because other people make your mind peaceful or suffering. Nobody. You take care of your mind responsibility. Whatever you feel happy, this is your responsibility. Whatever you feel suffering is your own responsibility, not other people.
How do I do that?
That is a theory. Huh? This is the theory. You need to find out yourself.
Well, on the day that we travel with the snow and the thing, I was watching your video, the chat thing.
Yeah.
And then suddenly I remember the day before you asking why, how, where.
Okay.
And then suddenly everything stopped and I can hear, I can see. And I said, there's no desire in that. It's just picture moving, the sound. And I said, this is what the Buddha experienced and nothing in there.
Yes.
So there's no desire in there.
Yes.
Sad.
Yeah, not very happy.
No.
Not very happy because of your mindful. As it is. Your mind become as it is as it is. So no desire, no reject.
Right.
But people are very boring about this level.
Right.
Because they know family this level. They don't understand how peaceful this level. How freedom this level. They're not used to.
So that's what we are supposed to go.
Yes. But not supposed to go. Not supposed to go. Don't think about this. Try to understand something.
Supposed to understand.
Supposed to be understand. But you don't know some mind changing. So the mind state is not like a normal mind. This is something change in your mind. But not so not yet. You don't see why or what. Right? This happening you know. But how this happening, why this happening, you don't know yet.
Yeah.
So many times you learn from this again and again and again, and slowly you more understand this level. Equanimity is for defilement very strong. For the deluded mind looking, equanimity is very boring. With the eye looking, the equanimity is a freedom. Opposite side.
What's the next lesson?
Then I have a question. Like when looking, if really you look at something, actually it's not only that thing. Still you have the background still there. Still you can see the background is looking.
What?
When looking at something,
Background is some idea is there.
something in there.
Right. What state of mind, what point of view, and you look at it. Right? This is some idea is there. If you right view and wrong view, see this, and next mind, what next mind happening? Because of this mind working, right view or wrong view is present. Next mind, what happening? Depend on this point of view. That's why meditator and non-meditator is different. Meditator use the object to be aware, and samadhi and wisdom can arise. For normal people, they see, they hear, and craving aversion comes.
So the
Different
point of
mind,
view,
different point of view.
the
Yes.
point of view is important.
Yeah. That's why right view is very important before you vipassana practice. No right view. If you have a no right view, you cannot practice vipassana. Maybe samatha or wrong practice or something will happen. Without right view, you cannot practice vipassana. That's why I said a right view is more important than awareness. That's why in Nova Aquaplex, Buddha start to say right view, right thought, wisdom first. Right livelihood, right speech, right action. Sila part is later. Right awareness, right samadhi, right effort is later. This is samadhi part. Wisdom, sila, samadhi. Sila, samadhi, panya. But panya is first. Because of right, everything right. Because of wrong, everything wrong. Awareness later. First right view, then awareness become right awareness. So people try to mindful. I said, not enough. You must have knowledge or Dhamma knowledge must be have. Wisdom must be there. My nephew asked on me, I aware all the time, this okay? I said, not okay. You must know something what you are aware of. Right? I aware this, aware that. I teach you, you aware, the follow aware this, aware that, aware this. What do you aware of? You don't know. That's why many people did not understanding. They follow your instruction. Oh, pana, breathe in, breathe out. Many years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. What do you understand from anapana? They don't understand anything about anapana because they don't want to understand. They want to calm down. Use this object. Just calm down. They want to calm down, they use this object. That's why they never understand about this object. Many years already.
But if we calm down, then we have the power to observe more.
Yes. But I try to say is because of he used this object, because of the mind want to calm down. That's why they never understanding about this anapana. You practice long time anapana. I ask you which hole is in, can air in. Right hole or wrong, left hole. Which one is strong, which one is soft, which one is long, which one is short. You don't know.
Because I haven't learned Vipassana yet.
Not yet. But this is also whatever, if you are aware this, if you are intelligent, you must know something.
I don't need to. Because once I go
You don't want to.
Yeah, because what's the purpose of it?
Because you don't say you don't need to. Because you don't want. It's not.
I didn't know.
Or maybe you don't have idea. You have no idea.
Me that.
Nobody teach you the information, give you the information. That's why you don't know how to do.
But once I get information, I process fast.
Right. That's why no information, no doing. Right.